how to use Temu coupon bundle. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. A Temu coupon bundle is a special offer where you get multiple coupons or discounts in one package. This means you can save more money on your purchases. To use the Temu coupon bundle, follow these simple steps. First, find the coupon bundle. Look for the Temu coupon bundle on the website or promotional emails. The bundle will include different types of discounts. You can pick one that suits your preference the best. Now, add a few items in your cart and go to your cart and further proceed to check out. At checkout, enter the Temu coupon code in the Apply Coupon Code tab to get your discounts. After applying the code, you will see the total discount on your purchase. So, this is how you can use Temu coupon bundle. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.